An HSA is an incredible way to first get incredible tax advantages, have your money grow over time, and have a secret investment account, a place where you can grow money that can come out completely tax free to pay medical expenses throughout your retirement. It's an incredible tool, but it doesn't make sense for everyone. Today, we're going to talk about what an HSA is. When does it make sense? When does it not make sense? And what are all the benefits? Because there's many. So let's go ahead and dive right in. At HSA, to cut right to it, stands for a health savings account. A health savings account. And basically what it is, every paycheck you can put money into it, almost like TSP. And once it's there, you could, of course, invest it and grow it over time. You don't have to invest it, but you certainly can. And when you put money in, it's actually a tax deduction. A tax deduction. For example, if you put, let's say, $5,000 into an HSA in the year and your income is $100,000 a year, you'll get taxed as if you only made 95. It's a tax deduction going in. And an HSA actually has three major tax advantages. They call it the triple tax advantage. Basically, when the money goes into the HSA, you get a tax deduction. When the money's in the HSA, it can grow tax deferred. So again, if you put $5,000 in, it can grow to, let's say, $20,000, and every step along the way, you don't have to pay any taxes. And when the money comes out, it comes out tax-free, which that's unlike TSP or Roth TSP or any other tool. There's no tool like this that gives triple tax benefit like this. It's incredibly, incredibly powerful. Again, you get a tax deduction, put it in, it grows tax-free, then it comes out 100% tax-free. That's the power of an HSA. And really, the reason this exists is for people's medical expenses. You can put money aside, get some tax benefit, so you have money down the road for big medical expenses that come up, which in retirement, almost certainly for everyone, there's a lot of expenses that come up. But here's the deal. An HSA is super, super powerful, but does it make sense for everyone? Well, not really, because to use an HSA, you have to be enrolled in a high deductible health plan, or HDHP, as the acronym goes, which, as the name suggests, those plans have high deductibles. Now, even if you wanted to change right now, we're obviously, as of publishing this, we're not in open season, but we will, of course, be late this year here in 2026, where you can look at all the high deductible plans. And honestly, as long as you're in decent health, the high deductible plans make sense for a lot of people. A lot of people, as long as you don't constantly hit deductibles and things like that, I would definitely look at the high deductible plans, because many of these plans actually put money into your HSA on your behalf. Like there's some plans that put up to $2,000 or more into your HSA on your behalf, and you don't even have to do anything. You're welcome to put your own dollars in there as well, but they'll put that money. So basically, when you have expenses that come up, maybe you're haven't reached your deductible yet, right? And you have to pay out of pocket. Having the money in the HSA, you can use to, of course, pay for it. So it's first a great way to get some tax benefit. It's a great way to save money up over time. And what many people end up doing, if they don't have high medical expenses, they save all this money, and their FEHB plan saves all this money into their HSA. They're able to grow it over time. You're able to invest your HSA money. And let's say you start when you're 35. If you consistently put a few $1,000s into that every single year, by the time you're 65 retiring, you can have a lot of money. I've seen people with 6 figures plus in their HSA, which means going into their retirement, they've got this really healthy bucket. At first, you can take the money out tax-free, completely tax-free. You can let it keep grow. And as medical expenses come up throughout your retirement, you can use that account to actually pay for it. But the one big caveat is you can't use an HSA unless you're part of a high deductible plan. So it's something to look at this next open season to potentially get some tax benefit, to have a secret fund for you growing in the background that you can use for medical expenses throughout your life. It's an incredibly powerful tool. So something to look at. I hope that's helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.